At Jellinbah, we've long fostered a safety culture built on individual accountability, self-management and mutual trust. Our teams are empowered to make the right decisions, and this autonomy has been a cornerstone of our operational philosophy. Hexagon solutions have complemented and strengthened this culture by being highly user-focused. Their systems are designed to support individuals in real time. They provided us intuitive tools that enhance situational awareness without undermining the autonomy that I spoke about earlier. This alignment with our values has made it easy for our teams to adopt the technology and use it effectively. It reinforces safe behaviours while maintaining that operational independence at Jellinbah. Vehicle interaction remains one of the principal hazards in open-cut mining. With so much large equipment moving at once, even small lapses can have serious consequences. That's why we've invested in Hexagon's collision avoidance system and operator alertness system, proven technologies that directly support our critical safety objectives. How we work with our crews and our team members, we work closely with them to be part of the solution, identify where the gaps are, where we can improve, and what options that we had in front of us. So ultimately it was a joint decision between our workforce and the Jellinbah mining operations to determine what's a fit for purpose technology for our business and our culture.
So our goal was simple with this project. We wanted to give the operators a system that they can trust and one that works for them and not against them.
From my aspect as a trainer assessor, I want to make sure people are safe. I'm not going to release a trainee unless I know that they're ready, and they're not going to feel like they want to be by themselves unless they're confident in that role as well. And those systems help achieve that.
It's good for the company, it's good for safety. We have a lot of new trainees, so coming in from not knowing anything, I think it's a great tool to have, especially for the experienced operators as well. Just knowing that it's there can save someone's life, really.
Yeah, having the system in the trucks gives you a bit more peace of mind. It's quite a good reinsurance, knowing that Jellinbah is happy to spend money on safety and making sure we get home at the end of the day.
Every person on this site deserves to go home safe. That's just not a goal for us, that's our commitment. Knowing our people are protected reflects our commitment to responsible operations and continuous improvement.